What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Skate Hacks, and today we're going over the half cab flip. I think that half cab flips are easier than backside flips. That's just my personal opinion, but I think that most would agree. When you're learning fakie tricks that involve a rotation, I think they tend to be easier than learning them regular. So that should be the upside to this trick. Make sure you know how to fakie flip and half cab before learning this, because obviously this is a combination of those two. So it's going to help you a lot to have both of those nailed down. You're going to set up like you would for a fakie flip, and you're going to have the rest of your body ready to rotate like a half cab. So you'll notice here that by the time I pop, I'm already spinning. So I have my shoulders wound up and I have my arms swinging already by the time the nose hits the ground. By the time I pop, I've already begun the swinging motion. And the flick is the most difficult part to get down to this trick, but once you hit that sweet spot and you understand how to get it done, it becomes a much easier thing once you've wrapped your head around it. So the main problems with these with half cab flips are not catching enough flick or catching too much friction, and I've talked about this several times in many different videos involving flip tricks. Is that oftentimes you'll catch too little friction or you catch too much, and that's just part of the learning process. This is a trick that can definitely give you a shinner if you catch too much, or if you catch too little, you don't even flick at all. But that's just part of the learning process. Like I said, a good goal for this trick is to have the kickflip caught at the halfway point when you're already done with about half of the rotation, and the rest of the way is just smooth sailing where you've already caught the kickflip and you're just spinning, you're finishing the rotation. So not a huge amount of wind up or energy is required to really catch a crazy spin. It's just a 180. So don't have to worry about that too much. Like I said, the main issues with this trick are, getting the flick right, because there's a lot of things going on at once. You're popping, you're spinning, and you're flicking. So it can be pretty easy to get caught up in that and not really get the timing right. But once you get it right, you should be golden, and this trick is very fun. So those are my main tips for half cab flips. You want to make sure that you're winding up and you've begun the spin by the time you pop. Catch the kickflip at 90 degrees and land bolts. So this was just a quick video today going over the highlights, the main tips of learning half cab flips. Hopefully it helped you guys. Comment down below and let me know what you'd like to see in the future. As always, stay tuned. See you next time.